Hey, what's up? Driving home today. I don't have a property to look at. It's 4 o'clock. It's like 25 degrees. It's freezing, and I got to get home. I got things to build. I got kids to see, and so I thought on the way home I would just share a little something about real estate. Something I was actually reviewing today, and I wanted to pass that along. So the topic is ethics, and ethics in real estate, ethics in investing, ethics in sales. It's all the same, and it essentially is just do the right thing. Like, don't be an idiot. Don't be a liar. Don't be a cheat. And this comes from just in sales in general, in any industry, this idea that there's just not enough to go around, right? Like the pie isn't big enough. And then anytime we hear a competition, we get nervous, we get scared because we think they're gonna take our slice of the pie. But the concept that we have to really rest in is that we can always make the pie bigger. Like, that's what entrepreneurs have been doing for hundreds of years. We have been creating a bigger pie. We've created different pies. We got meat pies, we got vegetable pies, we got all different sizes of pies for different styles of guys. Styles of guys. So do not focus. Well, the competition is good. It lights a fire under your ass. It keeps you going. It keeps you moving. It keeps you hustling. It keeps you hungry. However, you're never down and out. No one's ever going to take the lead out of your mouth, your last lead. Like, no one's ever going to do that because you can always go get another one. Do you understand? You must understand this. Because if you don't understand that, the temptation to lie, the temptation to cheat becomes all the more real and all the more justified. Now you're providing for your family. That's bullshit. There's enough to go around, and if there's not, you create more. So in real estate, I practice an above reproach style of ethics. Meaning, I do not lie. I go above and beyond, letting the seller know how I benefit and how they benefit. So I'm very transparent with them throughout the interaction. Now, obviously, there are times when like more information is not better for them. Like, they don't need to know like what account the money's coming from. They don't need to know like the details. Like, I don't need to know how a watch works. I just need to know what time it is. And I'm happy when I purchase the watch because I know what time it is. I don't go into the back of the watch shop and ask the watchman, hey, what size gear ratio did you use for this? Whatever, I don't know. I don't even know what to ask. And neither do they. And so you just have to make sure their answers are being met and their needs are being met. And above all, they are benefiting. If they are not benefiting, then you should not be benefiting, because then you're taking from their pie and you don't want to start that snowball. So I'll leave you with that. Just if you're in sales or in the next negotiation you're in, just practice the takeaway, meaning, hey, look, maybe this isn't for you. Like, just put that out there and see how it feels. You know, it may be counterintuitive to give away a sale, but hey, when you give it away and it comes back to you, it's all the more yours, and it's all the more enjoyable to experience. So good luck out there, investing, selling, negotiating, whatever that may be. I wish you the best, and next time, thanks for watching.